Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. In today's video of Let's Talk Creps, we are going to be talking about the Puma Future Rider NES collaboration with Nintendo. As always, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump into this video. Okay, so as always, before I start the unboxing of this shoe, we need to take some time to appreciate the actual box art on this shoe. It is incredible. So, as you can see, Puma absolutely smashed this collaboration with Nintendo. The box artwork is so reminiscent of the NES console from back in the 80s. This shoe released in December 2020, retailed at $90 US or 75 Great British pounds. It is an absolutely beautiful shoe. There is the box label, so as you can see, it is a Future Rider NES, Super Nintendo, Mario, Puma collaboration, quite a mouthful. Easiest way to remember it is a Puma x Nintendo collaboration. Its colourway is grey, violet and Puma black. And yeah, also, which is quite a cool little thing on this as well, you have the Nintendo authenticity stamp there, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I'll talk about this box for ages, but let's get into the shoe a little bit more. So I'm going to open it up. And here you see the tissue paper, which has loads of different Mario games on it, from sort of NES days, N64, Game Boy, the DS, the list is endless, and again it's something that we could probably take some time and look through, but I don't want to make this video too long, so let's get past that. So these shoes, when they first released, they didn't sit on shelves, they did sell out, but you could buy them on StockX and Go for a pretty reasonable price. I think the price has since shot up. This is very much a collector's shoe, and any sneaker enthusiast will jump at these, and rightly so. The materials are fantastic, and the shoe is just iconic. It honestly, one of my favourite Pumas, if not my most favourite Puma that's ever released, and definitely my favourite Nintendo collaboration. But let's have a little look at these shoes in a bit more depth. So, you have this suede going around the mud guard, and it sort of goes around the bottom of the toe box as well. You have a mesh on the actual toe box itself. It's a nice material. You've got this sort of tumbled leather going along the tops of the shoes and on the Puma stripe itself. Nice little sort of red hits on different parts of the shoe as well, just to really sort of break it up nicely. I mean, this shoe's colourway is, if you've ever seen a NES, you'll understand that this shoe has absolutely smashed the colourway, and Puma and Nintendo have done an amazing thing here. You've got the controller hang tag there, which is really cool as well. You can really see that. You've also got the Mario Bros artwork on the tongue from the NES release, which is really cool. You can see that there. And then you've got Super Mario Bros on the reverse of the tongue there. Another thing that's really, really cool about this shoe, if I can get them out, is the insoles. Now, again, it just shows the quality and detail that they spent on this shoe, because of even the insoles are laid out like a Mario level. You've got Mario and Bowser on there, and you've got even got your lives and your coins counted and stuff all at the top. Honestly, this shoe is so worth the money it's at the moment. I mean, the fact that it only retailed at $90 and 75 British pounds is beyond me, because of, honestly, companies charge way more than that for lesser shoes. I mean, even here on the sides, you've got the power and the reset buttons like you'd have on the console. Mind-boggling, honestly. What a shoe. I'm gonna get some on foot, as I always do, and we'll jump to that. But yeah, I'll see you at that part.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and
So that wraps up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me out massively. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.